Oil extends losing streak on fears Fed hike will hose down fuel demand. Tokyo oil prices dropped on Monday, extending a current dropping streak on concerns that an anticipated upward push in U.S. hobby fees might weaken gasoline demand. Brent crude futures for September settlement had fallen 67 cents, or 0.7%, to $102.53 a barrel with the aid of 0421 GMT, down for a fourth day. U.S. West Texas Intermediate (WTI) crude futures for September delivery slid 77 cents, or 0.8%, to $93.93 a barrel, additionally down for a fourth day. Both gave up early gains. Oil expenditures were underneath strain due to developing issues that aggressive rate rises through the U.S. Federal Reserve will sluggish the worldwide economy and decrease gasoline demand, said Tetsu Imori, chief government of Imori Fund Management Inc. Slack restoration within the Chinese financial system is likewise weighing on market sentiment, he mentioned. Oil futures have been unstable in current weeks as buyers have attempted to reconcile the opportunities of in addition hobby rate hikes, that can restriction financial interest and as a consequence cut fuel demand increase, in opposition to tight supply from disruptions in trading of Russian barrels because of Western sanctions amid the Ukraine conflict. Officials on the Fed have indicated that the imperative financial institution might possibly enhance fees by means of 75 basis factors at its July 26-27 assembly. China, the sector's second biggest financial system, narrowly neglected a contraction within the second area, developing simply 0.4% year-on-year, weighed down through COVID-19 lockdowns, a susceptible belongings area and cautious client sentiment. The marketplace tone is probable to stay bearish also on worries that the resumption of a few Libyan crude oil output would ease tightness in international supply, mentioned Kazuhiko Saito, chief analyst at Fujitomi Securities County Limited. On the supply facet, Libya's National Oil Corporation (NOC) ambitions to bring returned manufacturing to 1.2 million barrels according to Day (BPD) in 2 weeks, NOC mentioned in an announcement early on Saturday. The European Union stated ultimate week that it would allow Russian state-owned organizations to deliver oil to one-third international locations underneath an adjustment of sanctions agreed by way of member states ultimate week aimed at limiting the risks to global electricity security. However, Russian Central Bank Governor Elvira Nabiullina stated on Friday that Russia might no longer supply oil to nations that determine to impose a charge cap on its oil.